A towering police station in North Wales reduced to a smouldering pile of rubble, all caught on camera by a police drone. This sounds like fun. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel you will find everything from the latest drone and tech news, leaks, how-to videos and live streams. For more of this, hit the subscribe button. Wherever you are from, drone flyers are always looking for unique footage which captures something fun. Occasionally there is an opportunity to capture images which will never be repeated. Let me know in the comments below what footage you have captured of a never to be repeated moment. Feel free to link to your own video down there. When the North Wales Police drone unit took to the skies recently, they had the job of assisting and capturing these incredible shots of a former police headquarters being reduced to rubble. In the footage, you can see the police drone take to the skies and initially support ground operations by scanning the area with their thermal camera in a safety check. Then, with a view normally reserved for a Hollywood movie production, the police drone pilot captures the explosive moment which is never to be repeated. You can see in this part of the video released on the North Wales Police Twitter account, the thermal camera is used again to show the charges exploding the first stories of the building, causing the building to then collapse on its side. The final shots from the drone show the heavy machinery moving in to break up the fallen giant, as well as local authorities working to clean the nearby streets of debris prior to reopening the roads. In a brief statement, the police confirmed that a new fit-for-purpose divisional headquarters had been opened, and this explosive moment marked the end of an era for Wrexham and North Wales Police. Let's enjoy the video footage in full.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them.
It's interesting to see the tower come down on its side like that. I'm used to seeing the implosion style of a building being demolished, but perhaps this method is cheaper and more effective when you have the space around the building like this situation. It was interesting as well to get another look behind the scenes of work done by police drone units. The work to secure the area with the thermal camera was an interesting use of the tech. It is always enjoyable when police units release footage like this and shows the capabilities of police forces across the country. Whilst recording this video, I just wanted to take a moment to thank our growing community of channel members. Whether you are in our drone club, Vana Army or a geek level member, we appreciate all of your support. As a growing smaller channel, we have been pleasantly surprised at the popularity so far, and it means we have been able to produce some great exclusive content for channel members, including behind the scenes, outtakes, exclusive content from my co-host Libby, and even a new members exclusive podcast series. With the continued success, we are able to launch a couple of more exciting series before the end of this year to enrich your experience as a channel member even further. So thank you. Your support is directly helping the Geeksvana channel grow. If you want more details on how you can become a member from just $1.99 per month, click the join button below or the channel members link in the description below. New members will find a members exclusive playlist on the channel homepage, as well as more content posted in our community tab. Now running for 5 months, there is a good amount of member exclusive content to catch up on. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Oh no, the propeller's broke. Ah! show's over. You know this. We do this every single time. Come on, guys. A bit of privacy. It's embarrassing.